Thanks for checking in on this Labor Day as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and all eyes on Irma right now in the Atlantic Basin, drifting west as a major hurricane and could potentially be a major hurricane over the next several days. We'll talk about that severe threat, which is actually up to an enhanced risk in the Ohio Valley, and record northwest heat continues. So the visible satellite from Irma on early Monday shows this drifting to the west, a pretty defined eye. You can see that well from space here, but this again is drifting kind of the west-northwest. Latest forecast track from the National Hurricane Center shows that this will continue at major hurricane strength, maybe even up to this weekend. But hurricane warnings have already been posted for the northern portions of the Windward and Leeward Islands, and hurricane watches have also been posted. But the cone of uncertainty takes us potentially from the Bahamas to again, just south of Cuba. So watching this very closely, a number of different model solutions up near the Yucatan Peninsula and or as far east as the Central Atlantic. But again, a majority of that has it going just east of the Florida coastline as of now. And then just east of Irma, we have another high probability of tropical formation. Again, watching that closely, and another wave in the Bay of Campeche. So watching things all over the place as we near the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season on September 10th. There's your enhanced risk of severe weather today, just north of Indianapolis. Looks like large hail and damaging winds will be the primary threat this afternoon and evening, but can't rule out an isolated tornado and maybe some heavy pockets of rain. Meanwhile, in the northwest, heat advisories continue. There through the Willamette Valley, temperatures from Seattle to Medford into the 90s, almost 100 in Portland, and we will be in the triple digits in Boise and Redding. So again, record heat possible in these particular areas. And we are looking at that heat to stick around over the western U.S. through the mid-month.